Right, this is a 2009 Subaru Impreza STI. Now, these have a factory alarm, but often they're turned off. They've also got a factory immobilizer, and you can see the key symbol flashing in the cluster here. So, to turn on the factory alarm, you quite simply turn the ignition on, make sure the lights are shining, and then you have to press the unlock button down here at the same time as opening the door, so you've got 1 second. So basically, I'll press the switch, open the door, hold that switch down for 10 seconds, and then keep it pressed down and wait. And the horn beeps, and that's activated the factory alarm system. To turn the factory alarm off, you do exactly the same procedure, and the horn will beep twice. While I'm here, I'm also talking about a upgrade alarm. So this one's had a Vodafone Automotive 4822. So this has got the ultrasonic movement sensors up here. It's got a built-in level sensor, and it's bloody loud. So for more details on alarms and Subaru security, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.